Hi Virgo, magandang gabi. So, ang timestamp ng reading nyo, Collective Virgo, for January 2026 ay 6:49 p.m. Nung ginawa natin itong reading na to, today is January 3, 2026. So, this is a free collective reading. So, para sa lagi nag-aasa mga free reading, you cannot do it one by one. Okay? It's not balanced. So, kaya ginagawa ko itong free collective reading in general na rin. Okay? So, this is for certain collective. So, ibig sabihin nito, it may or may not resonate for you. For some of the Virgo who cannot resonate with the reading, I might tap into your energy next time. Alright? So, I already pre-shuffle and cleanse the table. Pero, I will shuffle again the cards in front of the camera, Virgo, before we start your reading. Okay? Para sa collective Virgo, ang mga gabay. For collective Virgo spirits. Okay. So, kukuha tayo ng 5 baraha. Ang ginamit pala nating deck ngayon ay ang Oracle of the Mermaids by Lucy Cavendish. Okay. Yan. Alright. For Virgo collective, January 2026 spirit. Virgo Collective, January 2026. Okay. So, Virgo, this is your first card. First one, Divine Sensuality. So, first time lumabas tong barahan na to. Divine Sensuality. So, this Divine Feminine Energy, a while back, yung ginawa natin for Sagittarius, lumabas yung Divine Masculine. Okay. Ngayon, ito yung Divine Feminine Energy. Making love or erotica. Okay. Now, second card, so very red yan, no? Passion. Okay, Song of the Siren, the call, summoning voice to acknowledge. So, makikita mo yung mermaid na to. Ayan, lahat sila, no? May energy dito. Virgo, na nagsiselfie sila, yung mga babae na to. Basically, just doing nothing, staring at us. Okay, mga face cards sila. Divine Sensuality, Song of the Siren. Third card para sa Virgo. Okay. The unseen. Too much is hidden from you. Nasa cave yung mermaid. Nasa cave kasama ang isang kabibe. No? It's very dark. Okay. In Song of the Siren is very watery energy. Okay. Yung kanina is very red. No? Passionate yun eh. Divine Sensuality. Okay. Ito naka-reverse. Lumabas na naman ang Imrama. Wander, voyage, crossing deep waters. Pilgrimage, journey of the soul, Virgo. And your last card will be, okay, naka-reverse, yearning, longing for someone, undesired separation, and pining. But we're not going to read all of this in reversal. Walang reversal for this collective reading. Okay? Kasi these are all collective channel messages. So, that's fine. Okay, Virgo. Okay? So, for some reason, sabi ko yung Libra. Maybe you have Libra in your natal chart then. Natal chart na sinasabi ko. Hindi ko sinasabing zodiac sign. Okay? Now, first card mo, Virgo, you have Divine Sensuality, Making Love and Erotica. So, for some of you, for the month of January, if you're trying to conceive, trying to parang have a romance, or you're trying to be more sensual or attractive, so this is the month where you can parang start on working on yourself physically. Okay? You must feel good, you must look good. And maybe you could, this is also the time where people will find you attractive, or this is the perfect month para you take care of yourself then, no? Work on your physique, basically, no? This is someone very attractive. Okay? Work on your womanhood or femininity. Sinasabi ni Sushmita-san, diba? So that's about Divine Sensuality. Celebrate yourself as a woman. Yung feminine side mo. Okay? So, making love. If for some of you, naka-block ang sacral chakra, which means may problem sometimes with being passionate, this is the perfect time i-explore ang inyong sensuality when it comes to partnership, romance as well. No, it's about time also to conceive, to make love, and basically, it says erotica, so you know what it means, no? So, it's physical sensuality as well, okay? And sometimes that's a good thing kasi some people, they're not active. Ganun ang sinasabi. So, it's time for you to be more, to explore on that side. Okay? Now, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's divine sensuality, no? No. If you don't put any malice on it, that's normal. Okay? Now, meron kang second card dito, Virgo, Song of the Siren, which is nakuha din to ni Sagittarius. So, maybe may Sagittarius ka around your natal chart. Okay, ang sabi ng Song of the Siren here, basically, nandyan lang siya. He could be a singer, he could be singing, he could be a listener, he could be preaching, no? So, the call, summoning, voice to acknowledge, Virgo. So, it means to say, for the month of January, do what you are feeling or what your intuition is telling you to do for January. Okay? Do not ignore the inner voice. What is it na for the month of January na tinatawag ka, you are being called upon na gawin? Okay? So, be it sa kahit anong aspect ng buhay mo, so you need to acknowledge that. Kailangan mo i-recognize yon. No, don't dismiss it, huwag mo i-ignore. Maybe this is a sign na parang you need to do this, no? There is a reason. So, do not ignore yung mga intuitive na mga guidance na kukutuban mo, na feel mong gawin, or no, this is your higher self talking to you. Yun ang sinasabi doon. Okay? Now, for your third card, Virgo, meron ka ditong the unseen. Too much is hidden from you, so be careful lang when dealing with certain situations or people, no, they could be lying, or there's an energy na they're not truthful, or the situation is not as it is, no? Maybe they could be offering you something that it looks parang maganda from the get-go, the surface level, pero underneath it may kalakip na or kasama ng mga secrets or something na surprises or plot twist, no? So you have to be careful lang. It could also be there are people na two-face ka, they could probably betray you. There are offers or conditions or situations that could betray you, so be more careful, be more discerning lang, no? Careful who you trust, don't be too trusting, no? Because a lot is hidden from you na hindi mo alam. Na may mga bagay na tinatago sa'yo, partner mo, kaibigan mo, mga ka-business mo, mga ka-workmate mo, anything, or anyone, or even yung mga invitations, just be more careful. Kung mapagkakatiwalaan mo ba itong mga people na doon na masasama mo sa event, that's one thing. Okay, are they really good people? Are they really good opportunities? Alright, review the contracts na ipirmahan mo. Yung mga partnership alliances, get to know them. Mag-background check. These are the things na kailangan mong malaman for January 2026. Now, for your fourth card, may Imrama ka. So, this mermaid, nakasakay sa boat, nagpepet ng dolphin, no? Nag-appear dito sa Sagittarius. So, this is Wonder Voyage, Crossing Deep Waters, Pilgrimage, Journey of the Soul. So, you are meant sometimes for January to do things on your own. No, this is also appreciating your time alone, your singlehood, if you're single, or anything that leads you to becoming alone or single, it's fine. Sometimes being single is not bad. Sometimes being alone is not bad. Being alone doesn't mean you're lonely. There are maraming mga tao dyan magkakasama, yung mga being surrounded by many people, pero hindi sila masaya. So, know the difference, no? So, there are events in your life where you are meant to travel it alone. If you want to travel alone, that's okay too. Maybe you spend too much time outside na lagi kami mga kasama, ang dami ng mga crowd, no? Baka this is also the perfect time mag-retreat ka, go on nature, go on hiking, go on water. Nakita mo siya, nagpe-pet siya. If you have a pet, spend time with your pet. Okay? Travel with your pet. Ganon. Okay, so this is the month for you also to celebrate or go on self-reflection. Okay? For the year, the last year and the upcoming year. Okay, where do you wanna go? Kasi nakasakay siya sa boat. Parang may Six of Swords energy to. Or basically just trusting the universe where this boat will take you. Okay, Virgo? Now, for your last card, Virgo, meron ka ditong yearning. Naka-reverse to, but we're not going to read this as a reversal because these are channel messages. So, malamang mababasa natin to whether upright or reverse. Okay? So, longing for someone under separation and pining, you could be yearning or missing someone right now. Okay, there will be an energy for January. Okay, now you want to be with someone pero you can't be with them. There's also distance involved pero no contact. Now, but for January, that will be your energy. No? Specifically siguro to sa relationship or certain connections. You could be missing family members, no, kung nasa overseas ka. But that will be generally the energy for you on January when it comes to your connection. So it's a yearning energy for you. Okay, could be also someone or a certain group of people, your friends or family also na sila yung nakakamiss sa'yo. But there seems like a separation involved here, no? Where you don't want na you're apart, pero it's ano, parang in no kanto kayo or malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? So that's it. So I hope Virgo, no, nag-resonate kayo on your divine sensuality, Song of the Siren, the Unseen, Imrama, and Yearning. Okay? So, if it does not resonate with you, Virgo, for January 2026, I might tap into your energy next month for some Virgo people. Okay? So, thank you guys and God bless. And I hope to see you in your next month. Free collective reading po. Bye!